Hi guys, and welcome to this video on matrix powers. How are you? Hopefully you are well. This is going to be a really short video, believe it or not, because there's not too much content in here. So 4 or 5 minutes and you should be done. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me. If you can do me the honor of clicking in that corner and subscribing, greatly appreciated. Not going to be rich, not going to be famous. It just lets me know that you are watching. And above me, MaffsGuru.com is the website that I've written where all of these videos are ordered by textbook, by chapter, and downloadable notes. There will be more resources coming as time allows. Right, matrix powers, building on the work we've done before. Believe it or not, we're going to be using matrix powers ever such a lot soon, particularly in the next video and through the rest of the course. So, matrix powers, what on earth does that mean? Well, we've already in the last lesson looked at how to multiply matrices together. It's a little bit tedious, it's a little bit long-winded. The more numbers you've got, the harder it gets, blah, 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 blah. But what would happen, for example, if you had to multiply those together? You would be here forever. And what if you had to multiply this? No, forever. Now, interestingly, what we notice is that each of these matrices are identical. And we know, if anything, from what we have done before, that we can actually raise things to powers. Now, power, so if I had, for example, 2 to the floaty 2, that's just 2 times 2. If I have 6 to the floaty 3, that's 6 times 6 times 6. The floaty number, or the power, basically tells you how many times to multiply the thing by itself. So in which situation, this and this are identical. That floaty 2 just tells you write this matrix twice, which we have, and multiply it together. What about with the floaty 3? Well, the floaty 3, write the matrix out 3 times and put times between them. How is this helpful? I promise you it will be helpful in our next video. Now, don't press stop, not just yet, guys. This is a preview video and you've reached almost the end of it, but it does continue over on MaffsGuru.com. MaffsGuru.com, yep, that's my custom website. Bits of it you can see around me at the moment. That has been designed to allow the videos to be easier searched than they are on YouTube. So you can search by chapter, by textbook. Each video has downloadable notes for you, so you can put them in your summary book or your exercise book. There are exam questions, and there is more and more content and more stuff coming as time allows. So head on over there. It's absolutely free to sign up, and I'm doing everything I can to make sure that you guys enjoy maths and actually take out the mastery of maths. It is not as hard as you think. It is all smoke and mirrors. Okay, thanks very much. Take care, guys. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Stay safe.